Hi friends, today we are going to see what is meaning by Kaizen. Kaizen is a tool making a continuous improvements in any manufacturing industry. So most of the company they have fixed as a target for their trainees to make a job confirmation and for their promotions. Let's go to the video to make a brief about the Kaizen. First we will see what is the meaning of the Kaizen. The Kaizen is originated from Japan. Same methodology used all the countries. So the same name as used throughout the world. Now see the definition of the Kaizen. As I said, Kaizen is a Japanese word. Kei plus Gen, it is equal to Kaizen. So Kei means change. Gen means good or better. Change for good. That is called continuous improvement. If the company needs the development, the change should come from everyone, every day, and everywhere. Now we'll see is history of the Kaizen introduction. After Second World War, the Japan completely destroyed due to Hiroshima and Nagasaki bomb blast. So to survey the people moved out from the country. To avoid such condition, the Japanese president has brought two expertise from America to rebuild the Japanese industry. The experts are Edward Deming and Shiver. These experts did a training film to introduce the new management techniques. The film was titled as Improvement in Four Steps. In Japanese, Keisan Ino Yon Denkei. This is the real introduction of the Keisan in the world. After the 1980s, this is the key competitive success in the world. Now see how the Kaizen is working. As I said, the Kaizen activity should be involved for everyone. As the employee has to involve the Kaizen activity, then identify the problem. Once identify the problem, we have to identify the solution for that problem. Then create the action plan for the identify the solutions. Then make a improvements and find the results of that improvements. Then do regular adjustment for that implementation. Then celebrate the achievement. Now you can see the circle of the Kaizens. As I said, Kaizen is a purely improvement activity. So once initiated the Kaizen activity, we'll know the customer value and then let it to flow to the targeting of the zero wastage, that is called as Muda, and go to the Gemba to following the actions, then empowering the people to giving a good suggestions and Kaizen ideas. Then be a transparent discussion, speaking with the real ideas. You can see one of the example which is implemented for the Kaizen as a tool organization board. Previously they have kept in the box and all put together in the tools of in one box. So to find out that required tool, it will take much time to find out that and searching the tools in the box. So while making an organized manner on all the tools. So wherever it is required, whenever it is required, you can easily pick out of the tools and we can use and you can retrieve in the same position without wasting of any time. So this is the one of the example to make a Kaizens to reduce the searching time to find the required tool while do maintenance. These are the few benefits while implementing the Kaizen in the shop floor. First, increase the productivity to reduce the cycle time and will improve the better safety in the shop floor to prevent the accidents and improve the product quality and improve the communications. Then employ high morality and employee satisfaction.